Good afternoon. We welcome Mr. Muni Vikram in Business Poster, and he would like to tell us about his programs that we want to conduct over here regarding energy management. This is a training program that will help the industry as well as the new students as well as the entrepreneurs to give them the idea and give them the right training required for to manage the energy within an industry or within a company, how we can measure the energy and how we can control the waste of the energy. Yes, Mr. Munir.
Thank you very much. Uh, as you know, after the retirement of the NSIC in 2019, I have started one business in the field of the solar energy
Okay.
because I have already worked in the energy management, and solar energy is the part of that energy management.
Okay.
So, in the NSIC, I have delivered the many lectures in the field of the energy management and for energy conservation. In this field, there are huge requirement of those candidates who keeping the knowledge in respect of the energy and how we can conserve the energy, how can stop the wastage of the energy. So this is the benefit of directly benefit to the industries.
Okay. Before going further, I have a question. How do you correlate between solar energy and the energy management itself? What is the correlation between these?
Energy management is a very vast word, and it covers in the entire system where the energy either taken or given.
Right.
Therefore, we can say energy is taken in the different forms. Like electrical energy is one type of the energy, heat energy is another type of energy. So, if normally the electrical energy is very popular and it is used everywhere, and the industries are running with the
Electrical
electricity,
energy. Right.
and all the energies taken by the from the electrical energy. In that way, we will try to identify the wastage and the leakage of the electrical energy.
Okay.
In this way, we keep some equipments which measures the how much the energy is wasting in the entire system of the industries. So after getting this
Data.
data,
Mm-hmm.
we calculate where the energy is wasting.
Right.
So whatever the quantum of the energy, the wastage of the quantum of energy
Mhm.
is directly proportional to the saving of the money.
Right.
So it is the directly benefit of the industries.
Definitely. So, like if an industry want to implement an energy management program,
Yeah.
so we can provide the right solution to them, an integrated solution to them that they can conserve the energy, they can measure and conserve the energy.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
If the-
And how we will? Is there any role of solar energy in this energy management?
Sure. It is the very big role.
Okay.
Because day to day the electrical energy is very costly,
Mhm.
from the taken from the thermal power station or hydropower station or nuclear power station. So this is the another source which is very we can say it is not just like a free, but the some initial amount is needed.
Required.
Some for the infrastructure is needed. So after once it will be commissioned and established, it will run up to the 25 years. For
Okay.
the
That is the lifespan of a
lifespan of the solar
system. Okay. So, if an industry choose to have a energy management program, so we can integrate some part of it in solar form as well, or how we will provide the solution. What is the means? Let's say they want to implement in energy management program some part as solar as well, because I don't think solar will provide them the complete energy requirement itself.
Definitely, it is the we can get the energy from the solar in the daytime. Around on average, we can say it will be 6 hours per day,
Okay.
and the industry is running also in the daytime.
Okay.
So at least the total working time is the 8 hours. So at least 6 hours the energy we can get directly from the solar,
Okay.
not needed in the grid.
Right.
So it is used for the commercial buildings also, industries, and the other institutions.
Okay. Okay, right. This is the solar part. And the energy part, as we have mentioned, that we can measure the energy for certain equipment. So, which equipment you will target first for the energy management in an industry, let's say in a factory setup or in a commercial building?
I can say only at least one equipment. It is very essential and very important for the energy management. It is called the power plant meter. In this instruments, we can measure how much the power is consumed, how much the energy is consumed, what is the voltage, what is the current.
I was talking about which equipment you will target, which equipment in an industry will you target for energy management purposes.
Okay, it is very simple. For energy management in the all area in the industries, like air compressors, HVACs, refrigeration and conditioning, motors, pumps, blowers, fans. It depends upon the capacity of the industries.
And the consumption rate as well.
Here it is the consumption. Where the more than 200 kVA consumption is needed for the one industry,
Okay.
where it should be one energy manager or energy monitor should be placed there to manage the total energy system.
Right. Okay. That's great. So thank you for the introduction, and please tell us about the course itself. How will you design the course, and which people you will target?
The energy management course is very important. It is useful for the mechanical and electrical engineers or diploma holders. They can learn, they can know about the energy and the conservation of the energy and the wastage and leakage of the energy, the different utilities which are used in the different industries and commercial buildings, like HVAC and air compressors and some pumps, blowers, fans, like that.
Okay. So, if a company is interested in training their own employees for this energy management program, will we be able to help them to?
Definitely.
Okay. So, what will be your target duration for the course itself?
It is around
In the number of hours.
Minimum 3 months, 4 hours per day.
4 hours per day. Okay. Okay, great. So I believe even fresh engineers can benefit from this program as well.
Oh, yes, definitely. the freshers
They-
can also get such type of trainings. So they can go either from the self-employment or in the employment in the different industries.
Okay.
It is very useful and very beneficial for them.
Okay. So, when are you planning to start this course?
It depends upon the availability of the candidates
Right.
and like that.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Mr. Mani Vikram. Thank you for talking to Business Poster.
Thank you very much.